Hello and welcome to Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I'm your host, Sean Patchen. Now, we all know cheesy snack crackers are America's pastime. And what's the case? Cheez-Its. Delicious cheesy crackers. Delicious treatment. And you know, there are a lot of different flavors over the years, like extra cheesy, big sizes, even toasted. Why buy a whole ass amount of money for toasted cheeses when you just toast them up in a microwave?
Is it a good idea to microwave this?
Let's find out. Here at the Sean Patchen Microwave Laboratory, 6.4. Safety, can't really type and think at the top of my head. That's why we hide behind this giant gate right here to protect our nuts, because hashtag nobody likes roasted nuts. And let's go into the laboratory, see what we have here. We also have a fan on the ceiling to circulate the air, and as always, our Hamilton Beach microwave, Haley. Haley is just straight out of hell that I could ever imagine from a microwave. So, we're just gonna go ahead and pour a couple Cheez-Its into this small bowl so that, we don't want to add too much. Hopefully that makes sense. Alright, so there goes the Cheez-Its into that small bowl. And there it is. So how long should I put it in there for? Since it's toasted, I'm gonna go ahead and say about 1 minute and 30 seconds. It'd probably be a little bit toasted, but who cares? Let's do it! Alright, here we go. Alright. There goes the Cheez-Its into that bowl. I probably put in a little bit too much, but I really don't care, because who needs a snack full of Cheez-Its, when you just have a little bit of a small bowl. And since the football season is still around, you can always have a dip with those toasted Cheez-Its, Dip them and snack them. It might be a little bit too hot to probably hold, so definitely might have to be a little careful. The soup is too hot! So, I bet you they probably won't look brown, but they might feel a little hot. This bitch is so hot, I want to kiss her! Sorry. Alright, so, just about 20 seconds. So, I think I'm gonna have to stop right there. Let's go into it. Alright. Whoa! That is a toasted cheese smell. Oh my god. Oh! It is steaming. I don't know if it's smoke or whatever. Oh my god. It barely didn't look too much, but it is steaming. Holy crap. That's some burnt cheese right here. So you may be wondering, am I gonna actually taste one just in case, or maybe for the views? Hell yeah. Oh. Bad choice. Oh my god. That was not good. It was so steaming on my hot. Oh man. So, you may be wondering, is it a good idea to microwave Cheez-Its? I'm gonna say no, because it didn't even do shit, Oh, I mean, it didn't look like shit, but it steamed and burned shit, That is a terrible taste of a cheesy cracker. Definitely not a good idea. So that about does it for this episode of Is It a Good Idea to Microwave This? I'm your host, Sean Patchen. See you later. Oh, that's so bad.